Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Unit 14, Understanding Shapes. 3D Identification. If you look around yourself, you will see various objects. Touch few of them, you will notice that they have length, breadth, and depth. Such objects are called solids or 3D objects. Depth, this is the length, this is the breadth. Look at the picture. This is the corner, this is the edge, and this is the face. The surface of the solid shapes is called face. The line where two faces meet is called edge. The point where three faces meet is called a corner or vertex. Most solids have the shape of cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, etc. Dice like a cube, book like cuboid, football like sphere, cap like a cone, can like cylinder. Understand the faces, edges and corners of solids. Shapes, faces, corners, edges. Cube, 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Cuboid, 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. Sphere, 1 face, no corners, no edges. Cone, 2 faces, 1 corner, 1 edge. Cylinder, 3 faces, no corners, 2 edges. Let us compare two solids, cube and cuboid. A book has the shape of a cuboid. A dice has the shape of a cube. Both are flat all over. Both have 6 faces. In a cube, all the faces are identical, exactly alike. In a cuboid, all 6 faces are not identical, only the opposite faces are identical. Exploring 2D from 3D. Solids can be visualized as plane figures being rotated through space. A solid figure can be combination of a number of plane figures or 2D figures. Observe these shapes. These figures have no depth after tracing. They are now 2D shapes. Most of the solids have the faces of plane shapes like square, rectangle, circle, triangle, etc. This is the square, this is the circle, and this is the rectangle. Drawing solid shapes. Cube. Draw two identical squares. Two identical squares. Join their vertex to get a cube. Cuboid. Draw two identical rectangle. Join their corresponding opposite vertex to get a cuboid. Comparing a cone, a cylinder and a sphere. Cone. This is the curved face. This is the plane surface. This is cylinder. This is the plane surface. This also plane surface. And here curved face. Sphere. This is the curved face. When we compare a cone, a cylinder and a sphere, we can find that a cone has one plane surface with one curved face, while a cylinder has two plane surfaces and one curved face, and a sphere has only a curved face. Name each solid shape and complete the table. Here, first one, cylinder. Number of flat surface 3. Number of curved surface 1. Number of edges 2. Number of corners or vertices 0. Next, this is the cube. Cube. Number of flat surfaces 6. Number of curved surfaces 0. Number of edges 12. Number of corners 8. The next, cone. Number of flat surfaces or spaces 2. Number of curved surfaces 1. Number of edges 1. Number of corners 1. Next, sphere. This is the sphere. Number of flat surfaces 1. Number of curved surfaces 1. Number of edges 0. Number of corners 0. Next, this is the cuboid. Number of flat surfaces faces 6. Number of curved surfaces 0. Number of edges 12. Number of corners 8.